Hey everybody, this is Tony Hibbard with the Assistant Band Director. I've got one quick video for you on first and second endings. So this is how I teach it. I use words. So, Mr. Hibbard loves to eat. Okay? And I say I could completely rewrite that sentence and put Mr. Hibbard loves his family. But to save on time, space, and ink, because Expo markers are expensive, I will put his family. Okay? And then I will teach them that the first time we read it, we do the first ending. And then we have our repeat sign. So Mr. Hibbard loves to eat. And then the second time through, we will do our second ending. So, Mr. Hibbard loves to eat, and then Mr. Hibbard loves his family. If you don't do it right, and you don't do the first and second endings right, it looks like Mr. Hibbard loves to eat his family, which is wrong. Okay, so Mr. Hibbard loves to eat the first time through. Mr. Hibbard loves his family the second time through. I've taught this for a few years, and after I teach it this way, there never seems to be any problem with students remembering first or second endings, and they always refer to it back as, oh yeah, that's right, because you don't eat your family. So, hope this works for you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.